back to another video of LNA from the Bay. We are making sisig today, Aaliyah's favorite food. So right now we got the pork marinated.
That's not marinated.
We're gonna put the pork in the deep fryer and we'll see you soon. Beautiful. After being in there for a few minutes, golden crispy, that's how you want your pork. Oh no. Oh no. And this is like happy face. Like she's so happy to eat it. I'm so excited.
I'm hungry.
Liar. Wake your game up. Golden crispy, just how we want it. I'm gonna let it cook for a little bit longer. Belly's fresh out the deep fryer. I'm about to dice it up like, what is that called? Pork loins? Ew. But pork belly. You see the fat, the juiciness, how it's moist, and you see how a pork loin is dry. Who chose dry pork loin?
I don't like pork.
That's okay. What I'm gonna make, you gonna like it. Alright, we're gonna get the coconut oil warmed up on the grill. We're gonna add the diced up onions. Hear the sizzle? Y'all hear the sizzle? Now you hear it. You hear it. That's the onions right here. We're on the jalapeno list. Yeah, we have.
That's hella jalapeno.
We have the seeds.
Is it spicy?
Yeah, the seeds are in there.
Oh shit.
Because we like the spice.
It's just jalapeno, no green onion or anything right there?
No green onion.
Okay.
It was Filipino. Yeah, putting the fries in the deep fryer right now. We're gonna add some vinegar because you know how.
Garlic, coconut oil, jalapenos, red onions, brown onions. It smells good. You hear that sizzle?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm lucky.
Well, we were doing a cookout for the neighborhood. We got put on for the community today, and I'm just trying to give them back the Filipino culture in the community. The seasoning, just salt and pepper, pretty simple. Actually, I'm about to bust out with the garlic powder too and stuff. Sorry, I'm not gonna get that in the video because I don't want to go back in the house. Hey, check this out. I'm gonna make a design. This for you.
Alright. This for me.
This for you.
We got our little Benihana chef right here. Oh, what's that? Okay, we got a little heart.
Boom, 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 boom. Make sure the light gets it. It's getting dark outside.
Ooh. Look at that egg. Oh, you got an eggshell in there.
No way.
Right there.
Oh, I got it. No shells allowed, you know. Just a little salt on it. A little pepper. Mixed in.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the final product of the sisig fries.
I like to get a lot of everything in it, so let me crack this egg a little more. Really get that yolk coming out. Look at that. This is a perfect piece. We got a little meat here. Let's get some fries. We got, see that? We got the sauce, the meat. Let's get a little fry. Okay, let's go. Perfect bite right here.
Honestly, how is it?
Chef's kiss.
Is that good or bad?
Really good. Let me get a good piece for you. Let me get some egg. Right there. Okay.
Okay.
Show them your bite.
That's good.
You know, that jalapeno really gives it a really good kick. The egg really like balances it out.
Alright, well, we're gonna clock out and enjoy our meal. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Another video of LNA from the Bay. Comment down below what you want to see us cook next. We will cook whatever you guys comment, and it's gonna be good. Alright.